She lends her sympathy to sorrow, gives herself in love. When she judges evil, she sees the cause. Yes, her eyes see the real situation. She demands you to be as she speaks. Honey, you're just like a true wind, blowing sweet and free. Yes, her love of life's contagious. She moves with the universe. Her body is nature's temple, sacred hope. She's not afraid of life's great mystery. To be a one is to be alive. Yes, your every move's a wisdom, an example to every eye. She lives in simple solitude, independent of the stream, deciding for herself about tomorrow. She's apart from class and fashion. She flows through the winds that blow. Honey, you're just like the first flower, awake in the late winter snow. She's a dainty dashing dancer. She glides in another realm. Her beauty is of calm and quiet repose. Yes, she knows just where she's going. As she slices through the air, she flies as high as the skies allow, but she's already there. And her dreams are tempered reason, but she can cry with happiness. You may think her words sound reckless in their flight, for she's found that you just can't live under fear and illusions gone. Yes, to look at you is to see what I know I must become. Yes, she's found that you just can't live under fear and illusions gone. Yes, to look at you is to see what I know I must become.